So today I'm going to demonstrate how to use a pipette filler. So this is a pipette filler, and then in our pipette filler, you see that it has different text on it, or characters. You see the E, which is for empty. You see the S, which is for siphon, and then we see the A. I don't know what the A is. If you know what the A is, just comment on the comment box. So let's go over to seeing how we use this. Let's see how we use this. So first, you are going to get your pipettes. I have a 5mm pipette here with me, a glass pipette. So just below the S mark, put your pipette and secure it firmly. Our pipette is secured firmly. Now next is you have to get the air in your pipette bulb, this bulb, out, and this is for you to do that. You have to press and hold this A mark. Once you've pressed it, then you can press on the bulb to deflect it, and then you leave the A, and then you leave your bulb. Now what this does is that it's going to help you siphon liquid from your container. So now I'm going to dip my pipette in my liquid, and then I'm going to press the S to siphon. So you can see that I'm siphoning the liquid. So this is the siphoning process done. Now we can notice that our liquid is above the required level we want. So we want it to be at 0, but now let's say we accidentally got it above 0. So what we can do in this case is the E mark on our bulb, which is for empty, you press it, and once you press it, it begins to empty your pipette little by little. So I'm going to press it now, and we'll see the liquid level going down. You can see it's going down. Now I've overdone the work, so I'm just going to siphon a little bit more, but you get the idea. And here I'm approximately at the level I want, right? So that's how you use it. So I can quickly empty this. If I want to empty everything, I just press the E, and I have everything out of my pipette, and it keeps going. If I want to siphon more, I press the S, and that's how it works. So let's say in case you want to inflate this at any point in time, you may have the need, but there's no need. You press this to inflate the A, and you have it inflated. But when it's inflated, you won't be able to siphon any liquid using the S and everything. So you always have to keep this deflected. You press here and deflect. So this is how to use the pipette filler and the pipette. You can get any of these items, the glass beaker, the pipette, and the pipette filler, and every other science laboratory material at Simmyfranks West Africa Limited. You can send us a message. Thank you.